What if I told you the world you see isn't actually real? And the most dangerous part is, no single person is lying to you. It's built into the system. And all of us are following it, without even realizing. In this video, we're diving into the hidden lies of the world, ideas so deep that only the top 0.01% truly understand them. I'll explain everything simply, but what you're about to hear might change how you see reality forever. The first truth is this: the world doesn't run on truth, it runs on stable stories. We're told humans are rational, but in reality, most decisions are emotional. History is simplified into heroes and villains because complexity is hard to control. Truth isn't what's accurate, truth is what keeps the system stable. Brain illusion. What you see is not reality. Your brain is a filter. It ignores most information and fills the gaps with assumptions. You're not seeing the world, you're seeing your brain's edited version of it. Real power. Real power doesn't look like power. It hides in what feels normal, in what success looks like, in what society expects from you. The strongest control is the one that feels like your own choice. Incentives. People don't always lie, they optimize. Media optimizes for attention. Companies optimize for profit. Even experts optimize for recognition. And slowly, truth gets distorted. History filter. Millions of events happen every day, but only a few are remembered. And even fewer are taught. History isn't the past, it's the version of the past that survived. Identity. You think you're choosing who you are, but you're choosing from templates. The successful one. The rebel. The minimalist. Even individuality is often pre-designed. Complex systems. Not everything is controlled. Many things just emerge. From systems, from feedback loops, from unintended consequences. The world isn't fully controlled, it's complex. Information overload. You have more information than ever before. But less clarity. Because what you see isn't what's true. It's what wins your attention. Freedom versus control. You are more free than ever, and yet, more influence than ever. Because modern control doesn't restrict your choices. It shapes them. And the biggest lie? That people know what's going on. They don't. Even experts only understand small pieces. The world isn't run by masterminds, it's run by humans, imperfect, uncertain, limited. The real lie isn't a single deception, it's a system of simplified stories, hidden incentives, and filtered perception. Making reality easier to live in, but not fully true.